Amazing parenting hacks that can totally change your life. You've probably seen plenty of online articles relating to kitchen hacks or overall life hacks to help you deal with some of the most annoying challenges in life. But rarely do we see anyone coming up with some decent parenting hacks. And if you're a parent, you know you could totally use them. So here are some incredibly useful suggestions that take parenting advice to a whole new level of excellence. It won't solve all your problems, but it will definitely make parenting a lot easier to cope, so your kids can see you smiling more. Before we get started, take a moment to please subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment, and give us a like. When your kids get sick, getting them to take their medicine can be a real hassle unless you trick them. This parenting hack allows you to fool your child into thinking he's taking a sip of Pepsi, but what he's really doing is taking medicine. But it's okay, there's nothing wrong with a little white lie, as long as you don't get caught. This dad decided to take his kid to a metal concert, and he took care of all the safety issues. Not only did he turn his hair into a safety harness around the kid's waist, but that perfect reef knot is lit. Also, he's got a Best Dad of the Year award for giving his child earmuffs to protect their hearing from the loud music. Idle hands often lead to mischief, which is why this parenting hack ensures your kids stay busy. He certainly can't damage anything if he's painting the fence with water, and it'll keep him distracted, which gives you the chance to make yourself some coffee or take a bathroom break, which you so deserve. If you want to take your kid to the beach but don't want to risk them eating sand, try this. Use a fitted sheet and place bags in each corner. You'll essentially have a playpen that'll keep the sand out so that your little beach bum can experience the beauty of the beach without ingesting whatever they happen to find. You can create an evolving piece of art for your kids using leftover butcher paper with this hack. Reddit user Agnes DeGrain suggests putting up a take-up roll, adding some butcher paper, and placing a frame at the bottom so your kid can use it as a canvas. When he's done with his masterpiece, roll it down and yank it off. Now your kid will have a clean canvas to create another work of art, and so on. Trick your kids into thinking they're professional gamers with this neat little trick. Reddit user Some Call Me Mike gives his kids controllers when he's playing games. The thing is that the controllers aren't plugged in, but they can't tell the difference. So essentially, it's a bit more like pretend gaming. So you decided that you wanted to do a little gardening and brought your baby out into the yard for some fresh air. If you want to keep them from getting bit by mosquitoes, cover the top of baby's crib with a bedsheet. Kids are difficult creatures to keep still during a photo shoot, but this hack will keep your baby calm. This is nice and a great way when you want a professional photo taken of your child. If you can't get your baby to stop crying or stay still, then use dad as a prop. No one will know it's him under the blanket, and your baby won't fidget because they know that someone they love is there. If you have more than one kid and they get into fights all the time, separate them with this. As a parent, sometimes you have to break a few barriers, and at other times, you have to create them. This genius dad decided to keep his 3 kids from fighting in the car by separating them with cardboard. Check out these other videos from Let Me Know. If you haven't made the move to subscribe to our channel, all you need to do is click on that red subscribe button. Thank you for watching.